In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a search bar in your Shopify header. Adding a search bar to your online store's header is a simple change that can make a big difference for your customers. It helps visitors quickly find the products or information they're looking for without having to click through a lot of menus. Let's walk through the process step by step, and I'll explain what you're seeing as we go along. First, head over to your Shopify dashboard. This is the main area where you manage your store. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical menu. From that menu, click on Online Store. This will open up the section where your themes are managed. At the top of the themes list, you'll see your current live theme. That's the one your customers can see right now. On that theme, look for the option labeled Edit Theme and click it. This will open the theme editor, where you can visually customize how your store looks. Once the theme editor loads, focus again on the left-hand panel. This panel shows all the sections that make up your page, like the header, footer, and different content blocks. Find the section labeled Header and click it. The header is the top area of your site, usually containing your logo, navigation menu, and sometimes icons like cart and search. When you click the header section, you'll see all the available settings and options for that area. Now, within the header settings, look for an option called Search Icon, or something very similar. You should see a toggle switch or checkbox next to it. Go ahead and toggle it on. As soon as you do this, take a look at the preview on the right side of the editor. You'll notice a small search icon appear in your header, usually near the navigation links or the cart icon. Click on that search icon in the preview, and you should see a search box slide out or drop down. This is exactly what your customers will use to type in their search queries. Keep in mind that some themes, such as the Dawn theme, already have the search icon enabled by default. In those cases, you may not see a toggle, or you may notice that the search icon is already visible in the header without needing any changes. Once you're happy with how the search bar looks and works in the preview, don't forget to save your changes. Look to the top right corner of the theme editor and click the Save button. After saving, your new or updated search bar will be live on your online store's header for all visitors to use.